You got it.
Hi, my name is Larry. Today we're going to try and explain to you how to shim a door that's hitting. You put the door in, and the hinge is hitting the edge of the door.
And then we've got the large door gap here.
Right. So what we want to do is we want to bring the top of the door over, as per the arrow, and we're going to bring the bottom of the door over towards the opening for the arrow. And then the way we do that is with shim screws, 12/24 shim screws. Your hinge plates will have 8 different holes in it. Depending on you put them in the back or the front, you're going to be able to remove that hinge any way you want. The top one was already shimmed. So now I'm simply going to tighten up the screws. That's a perfect fit.
Okay.
Now how we achieve that? We're moving this whole hinge out that way. And the way you do that is you pack it with the set screws in the far end holes. There's 8 hole screws in there. If you didn't have all the screws, you'd have to drill and tap. It's a 12/24 tap, and you would drill a number 16 drill bit to achieve that. Now, if I wanted to bring this hinge over this way, I would simply put the screws in these 2 holes. There's our set screws, there's steel set screw. It's an Allen screw. You can infinitely adjust it till you get it perfect.
What about the bottom one?
If you needed to move the bottom, you can move the bottom out per the arrow. Then you would simply put the screws like we have demonstrated here on this side. Now I'm exaggerating that angle, but I want it to come across on video. That hinge is pretty far out. That's pushing the door out. That's what pushes the bottom. We didn't need to do it on this one, but in the severe case, you can do both top and bottom.